Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the CONVERSE AEON Active CX. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any other latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up. We want to see those likes. Helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the AEON Active CX Ox in the Egret Pale Putty Light Silver colorway in the UK size 7. It's a men's size 8 and it's a European 41. So let's get on unboxing. Here they are, and I'm not gonna lie, guys, these don't look like anything Converse would produce. Really doesn't. This is too futuristic a design for Converse. I mean, to be fair, like when you look at a pair of Converses, if you were back in the 1940s when the Chuck Taylors came out, that was vastly an advancement in regards to footwear. But this, you know, fair play to Converse. I mean, it looks more like a Nike. To be fair, Nike does on Converse, but you know, I wouldn't think Converse when I first see these. So let's start with the outsole. So this outsole is a rubber outsole. You can see the traction patternings here at the front and at the heel, and at the middle you can see the CX foam right there. And you got the little logo, you can kind of make it out. It says CX and the car in the orange. And again, you got more of the PU foam. It's exposed, obviously. Moving along into the midsole unit, again, you got that PU foam all around encompassing. And then you got the CX foam inside. That's there for the comfort. Looking at the upper, so this upper is all mesh and synthetic materials. Look at the tippy toes right there. You can see all the heat pressed plastics right there. Got some protected padding here at the toe box as well. It's very well perforated because, you know, you want your feet to be more breathable. And this looks like a futuristic runner, so you can use it for your casual walks. I wouldn't recommend it for running though. Again, heat pressed plastics are on the lateral side with the traditional Converse arrow logo there. And on the medial side, again, you got more plastics, heat pressed right there, more holes for the perforation. You've got the, you know, exaggerated heel design to give it like a dad sneaker vibe. And to be fair to Converse, again, it does look really cool. Like, I would have thought this was like a Nike or even like one of the designer runners as well. Looking at the back, so you got synthetic materials making the pull tab here with the Converse logo. The insole here, that's the CX foam. That's inside, there for your comfort, there for your support. Essentially, it's a soft booty system, so you can easily slip your feet in and out. Roll laces, what more do you need? And that rounds it off. It's in this beautiful colorway. They've done a ACW and a Cold War collab, so hopefully you see, because of the collab, that the AEON Active gets its following and hopefully sells a lot, because this will be, obviously this isn't the ACW collaboration, but I'm pretty sure what Samuel Ross is going to be doing with ACW and this AEON Active is going to surely put this on the map for, I wouldn't say sneaker of the year, but it's going to be up there with, in regards to cool sneakers. So all that said, really excited to try these on. It's not your typical Converse that we review here at Oneupreviewz. Again, if anyone from Converse is watching, we do love Converses. Big fan of Converse. So if you want to hit your boys up with something exciting, send it our way. And we love Converses. So roll that footage of me trying these AEON Actives on.
comes to the fit, guys, I recommend a true to size fit. When it comes to Converses, I am usually a size UK 7.5. These are a UK size 7. My toes are, you know, they're touching the very ends, and it's very tight around my feet. I'm not gonna lie to you. However, yeah, I guess I could break it in, but I don't feel like I can. It's a tiny bit uncomfortable, I'm not gonna lie. However, in regards to, you know, the cushioning, I can feel it. If I got the right size, this will be very comfortable and very elegant, let's say. I mean, the way that it's very bouncy, the CX foam, I feel like I can propel myself forward. It feels like a runner, but personally I wouldn't use it for running, so that's just my advice there for you guys. And these are quite unique. Again, I would have known that these were Converses without looking for that logo. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with Z at the end. Until next time, peace.